always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the...
Settled in the beautiful hills of Arunachal Pradesh lies the beautiful town of Ziro. Surrounded by lush green forests and panoramic valleys, Ziro is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure devotees. Ziro is a town and the district headquarters of the Lower Subansiri district and one of the oldest towns in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh. It is the heritage site for the APATANI cultural landscape. In this video essay, we will explore the rich history, culture and tourism of Ziro.
Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never...
Ziro has a rich cultural heritage, with evidence of human settlement found from as early as the Neolithic age. The APATANI tribes, who are the major inhabitants of the region, have a unique culture and way of life. They are known for their traditional farming techniques and integrated handloom weaving. The town also has several ancient monuments and temples, including the famous Valley and Meghna Cave Temple.
Different mothers, we were raised in different structures, so we're different, it's no wonder, yeah. I just want a great life, something where I feel like I just didn't waste time. Something I look back and say that was a great time. Cause man, I just hate when the years pass by the wayside. I'm lost inside, and I need a little time to find who I am.
Dree festival is a popular festival celebrated mainly in Ziro, Arunachal Pradesh, and it is an important and the biggest agricultural festival of APATANI tribe, and it is marked by sacrificial offerings. It is celebrated on 5th July in order to bring a bountiful harvest season. The 3-day long agricultural festival is joyfully celebrated with traditional clothes worn by women and children. During the fest, delicious and tangy rice and millet beer are served, followed by traditional dances, songs performed by the tribe people.
But you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
The most happening music festival in the laps of the Green Valley of Ziro, Arunachal Pradesh. The Ziro Music Festival is an outdoor music festival that showcases the talents of the independent artists in India. The festival brings together the most significant musical talents of India and a diverse audience to witness it. Ziro Music Festival is an amalgam of vibrant culture, music and art. Initiated in 2012 by Bobby Hano and Menhopos guitarist Anup Kuti spans over 4 days and is hosted by the members of APATANI tribe in Ziro.
It's too late now, I remember.
The APATANI people are known for their unique customs and traditions. One of the most prominent features of their culture is their distinctive way of living, which is in harmony with nature. The APATANI people have traditionally practiced sustainable agriculture using terrace farming to grow rice and other crops. This has helped to preserve the local ecosystem and ensure food security for future generations.
Awake till the sunrise, we were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never run. We hook up in.
Another unique feature of APATANI culture is their facial tattoos. APATANI women used to get their faces tattooed as a mark of beauty. APATANI women are also known for their traditional clothing and ornaments. They wear a distinctive nose plugs made of bamboo and beads. which is considered as a symbol of beauty.
Dance to our song, dance all night long till the light.
Apatani culture has a rich tradition of folk songs and dances. Apatani dances are usually performed during Dree festival and other cultural events. They are known for their intricate footwork and graceful movements. The Apatani people have a strong sense of community and family values. They often gather around the fire to share stories and bond with each other. The Apatani people have a rich and diverse culture that has been shaped by their unique way of life. As we have seen, their customs and traditions are deeply rooted in nature and reflect a deep respect for the environment. Ziro is truly a gem of cultural diversity in India.
How careless we could be.
There are many spots that attract tourists in Ziro. Heritage Park and Botanical Garden, which is spread over 10 hectares and home to a variety of flora and fauna. Sike and Sea Lake is a beautiful lake surrounded by green lush forests and hills. It is a great spot for picnic and relaxing, and visitors can enjoy a peaceful boat ride on the calm water. Pechiputo is a beautiful hill located at an altitude of 6,310 feet above sea level. Once at the top of Pechiputo, visitors can enjoy the beautiful panoramic views of Ziro Valley, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape, making it a popular tourist destination.
Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it.
Ziro is a hidden gem in the northeastern part of India that has something to offer for everyone. Its rich cultural heritage, vibrant festivals, and natural beauty make it a must-visit destination in India. From trekking in the hills to experiencing the local way of life, Ziro has it all. So, pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of this incredible town.